Mike from TRIDOS.DESIGN, and in this video we'll go over the installation of the adjustable thumb rest from TRIDOS.DESIGN. And let's start by removing the parts. So here are the 4 parts on the adjustable thumb rest. So this is the thumb rest itself, this is the bracket, this is the countersink screw, and also the trigger pin / screw. This one will replace the original trigger pin on the pistol. This is done to make sure that it holds a little bit better. It's a more rigid solution than the one that Action Army original thumb rest comes with. This is an ambidextrous solution, so you can mount it on either side of the pistol. There's a small difference in the installation procedure, but we'll go over that right now. First thing you want to do is pick a side on which you'll install the thumb rest on. So I'm a right-handed user, so I'll go ahead and install it on the right side. Flip the bracket this direction, and you want to go ahead and choose one of the 3 different locations. You will be able to easily swap it out later. Just pick one right now. Just make sure it fits together. It could be a snug fit, but it should go all together just fine. And take this pin, and you want to go ahead and screw it in place. For this installation, you will need a 2mm hex drive. So that's what I have here. So you can go ahead and tighten this trigger pin in place. So that's how it should look like. And if you're a lefty and you're installing it on the right side, it should look symmetrical just on the other side of the bracket. Now here's the difference in the installation of the right-handed side and the left-hand side version. If you're a right-hand user, you can just go ahead and use this pin to push out this pin, which we'll do right now. But in case you're a lefty, the first thing you want to do is actually use something to poke the pin out. Since the pin is a knurled pin and it's installed from the right side, you shouldn't try to push it out all the way through. You should first remove the original pin, like so, and then install this thumb rest from the right side. But yeah, since we're right-handed and we're installing it from the left side, what we can go ahead and just do is take this assembly and just push out the pin like so, and it should just fly out and pop right in place. Then before we install the final screw, we want to go ahead and remove this screw on the side. It would be the same procedure on the right side. Just remove the screw, align the bracket, take the screw that was included. It's slightly longer than the original screw that was in there, and just install it in place. Slightly tighten it, and that's the installation done. The adjustable thumb rest is now installed on the pistol. And if you want to change the angle and experiment a little bit, what you can do is just take the hex, slightly untighten this screw, and you can go ahead and wiggle it out a little bit and adjust the positioning, push it in back in place, and retighten the screw. And that's it. This way the thumb rest is very much locked in place, unlike the Action Army one, which just relies on the pin being slightly recessed outside. This one is a much more rigid solution. It's not going anywhere, and it also has 3 adjustable positions compared to 2. So that's the adjustable thumb rest installation done. Let me know if you had any issues. You can always reach us on the Facebook at Tridos Airsoft, or via email. It's Micus@tridos.design, and we'll help you out with the installation if anything doesn't work correctly. See you guys in the next one.